it's time for another Monday makeover. So today we are going to be using the sleek iDivine Diamond Decade limited edition eyeshadow palette. It is a palette primarily made up of pinks, silvers and blacks. I'll give you a sneak peek. Those are all the shades, and this is the look I came up with. So let me stop waffling and let's get on with the tutorial. my Monday makeover using the Sleek Diamond Decade Limited Edition palette. This is a gorgeous palette made up of primarily pinks, silvers and blacks. Now, a lot of people complained when this palette came out in that it was very limited. However, I say this palette inspires me to play. It inspires me to create looks that I wouldn't necessarily go for. Now, of course, this palette isn't an everyday kind of palette. This is a palette that you bring out for those special occasions where you want to go a little bit ham, where you want to go a little bit funky, shall we say. So yeah, I really am inspired by this palette. There's so much you can do. You can go all pinks, you can go all silvers, you can go all blacks, you can mix them all up. You can do a very funky sort of eye makeup. This is great for Halloween, you know, this is great for Christmas. I knew I wanted to go pink on my lid and then smoke it out to the silvers and greys. I also did a black winged eyeliner using the sellotape trick. And then once I'd done that, I knew I wanted to add a little bit something extra, and that's when I went in with my Collection Glam Crystals gel liner in Glitz. These are amazing glitter eyeliners. I strongly recommend these if you are looking for a glitter eyeliner. They're very pigmented, they don't run, they don't drop glitter on your eyes, on the rest of your face. These are amazing. They're absolutely beautiful. They come in all colours and they're inexpensive, so they're absolutely great. I also added I also added some I also added some eyelashes because this look just called for bigger, bolder lashes, which I just don't have naturally. So yeah, and the lashes I used were my Eyelure Volume number 101. This is the starter kit, which is a great little packet for those of you who are new to false lashes. Great little starter kit for you. I think everybody who wants to get into lashes should at least try and purchase this starter kit, just to get the basic tools to start applying your lashes. It makes it so much easier. So yeah, that is my Monday makeover. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you'll be notified when my next video goes up, and I will see you in the next video.